1 and this one is on the track 2. I will let you know which one is which track. Now I will be walking down one floor and then I will be walking around a little bit, not too far away from this location. And here are our friends walking back and there is wind blowing. So guys, as you can see right now, I am recording in my mobile phone, which is LG G8X, and it is connected from USB-C. Okay, so today I have a very exciting product for you guys. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2, and this product right here has kind of created a havoc in the market. It basically destroyed all its competition which kind of copied it on the first place. Now today I will be doing an unboxing showing you what are the contents inside this, how you can use this product, and I will be doing an outdoor test by showing you how good of a range it has or what can you expect, what you cannot, and also will use a USB-C connection with the mobile phones to show you how it will sound. Does it work like the way they say it should work? Let's get this video started. And yeah, I kind of unbox, you are hearing to this right now, to Rode Wireless Go, but let me show you what all comes inside this box. And I purchased this unit from my own money, so this is not a sample unit. Basically I purchased it from a shop itself. Okay guys, so this is the Rode Wireless Go 2 version and it's recently launched in 2021, as you know. So let's unbox this. So this system works on 2.4 gigahertz, basically the same range in which your Wi-Fi works, meaning it will share the same bandwidth. That means it is more prone to interference. So leaving those things aside, this comes with 2 transmitters, 3 for windscreens, which is good. I mean, if you lose one, you can use one spare. 3 USB-C cables to charge each of them independently. 1 TRS cable, meaning you can only connect this cable on your cameras. Mobile phones needs TRRS cable to TRS connection, meaning you will have to purchase extra. There's no adapter. And then a carry pouch. Now in India, its price is anywhere from 32,000 to whatever less or discounts you can get. But as you can see, this is an imported unit and it's imported in March 2021 itself, and I am reviewing this. Basically I purchased this in mid of April. Now this system can connect with your mobile phones, meaning Android, iOS, your camera systems obviously, and your computer devices using USB-C again. So let's see what all we get inside the box. So the first thing is silica gels, obviously, then a set of all cables, then a carry pouch, right, and nothing else. So let's keep it aside. Finally our transmitters and receiver. Now this is a pretty standard pack, I would say. So the concept behind this is it will not attract too much space. You put one here, one here, one here, and maybe do roll them or just keep them straight forward. So the first thing is TRS cable, meaning it will be used for your camera system. Then 3 USB cables, which is a flat cable, something good. That's it. Then the warranty card, probably user manual, and finally the Rode Wireless Go system. Now we all know that they have highly improved how this wind muff connection will be used, so let's get that out of the way. The mechanism to put them is pretty straightforward. You just put them inside and rotate that. That's it. It's not coming out. I will not do that again, but yeah, it's not coming out. So it's kind of a twist. And there are some scratches. I don't know when and where that happened. And I even don't know what are these tags. Let's get rid of them. Let's unwrap these stickers. Yeah, I just did that. I shouldn't have. But then it's all right? I hope I won't scratch that. Turning them on is pretty straightforward. The top button is the on off switch. Same goes for these two, the bottom switches. And they are factory kind of connected, calibrated, whatever you want to call them. So they don't need us to connect them. Right now it's set to a mode where each audio is going on to separate channels, meaning one is going into channel number 1 and is going into channel number 2, and as you can see I'm speaking and it's kind of catching in each separate channels, which is good to see. Let's see some close-up shots and I will do a quick test. So now I'm doing two tests. There is one without the wind muff and there is quite wind blowing around, and there is one with the wind muff. So this one is on track 1 and this one is on the track 2. I will let you know which one is which track. Now I will be walking down one floor and then I will be walking around a little bit, not too far away from this location. Let's see if the audio is like skipping any beat or not, and I will keep talking just in case to let you know that it's still working. And I am at the ground floor. Now I will be walking around and probably you can immediately feel the wind blowing. So I am now not facing the camera, not sure if audio is coming or not. Now I am facing the camera and walking backwards, and here are our friends walking back and there is wind blowing. Let's see how the wind muffs are performing. Now I will be turning around so that the body is between the camera, basically the receiver and transmitter. And now I am talking. Let's see if it's able to catch that. I will move a bit further. Now I'll be going probably few feet. I will keep walking my steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So back into the visual line of sight between the transmitter and receiver, and let's see how the wind muffs are doing, because I see a little bit breeze blowing around. Now generally casually just walking around this place since it's locked down, so we cannot go out too far, and again turning away completely from the line of sight of transmitter and receiver. Let's see if it's able to catch. So I will repeat few numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Walk towards it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are basically waiting for their treats, which I will give them very soon. Quite a lot of wind breeze right now. Let's see how they are performing. I will put each tracks in the channel separately, and I am now walking back again, closing the door and walking up in the stairs, and there's a lot of obstruction here. Let's see if it's able to catch. And this was a small test using this, a little practical test I would say. So I will do the same thing with greater obstacles. Please make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, and if you love this video, please share across your friends or anyone else who you think this might be helpful. So guys, as you can see right now, I am recording in my mobile phone, which is LG G8X, and it is connected from USB-C to USB-C, meaning there are two things happening right now. It's not using that analog conversion, since I have put this connected this patch cable, I shouldn't call it patch cable, but this cable directly to the USB-C port, not to the 3.5. so as per Rode, this should sound better. I will do a comparison test. Right now I cannot find any such cable right now with me, but I'm pretty sure it is there somewhere. If not, I will buy TRS to TRRS cable. Another thing is that I have not done any particular settings in mobile phone. It kind of detected automatically, so there are no changes which I have done. It was able to detect USB audio source directly. Now how is it sounding, you can let me know. Obviously you will get some pretty small cable which is flexible. This is from one of my external SSDs, so I found it handy. You probably will find a small better solution which you can fold and stick it on the back of it. Now this is the sound coming directly from the mobile phone at the same location where I have put it earlier, and you can see the mic is not connected, it's not blinking. So this is directly sound coming from mobile phone. Obviously if I was closer to the mic it would sound better, so let me put it a bit closer to my face, and this is how it would sound if it was closer to your face, just like the microphone was. Probably front facing camera might sound better, but yeah, so this is how it would sound with just mobile phones. But if we have to put at distance, this is how it will sound at this distance using just the mobile phone's internal microphones. One more thing which I forgot to tell you is that since now I'm using USB-C output from this transmitter, meaning one of the output port, which is 3.5 mm jack, is vacant, it's empty. So someone who is recording you can use that jack to monitor the audio. The same thing can be done when you use USB-C to 3.5 mm converter. So you can use this as not just an input to your camera devices, but also as a, you can use your headphones, earphones to monitor the audio. So that is also one pretty cool trick which Rode told us. Okay, so the audio you are listening right now is coming from Rode Wireless Go 2, and I will not do any kind of post processing, maybe just adjust the dB level to match the overall complete video. There are not dual transmitters, meaning you don't have to take two sets of Rode Wireless Go and combine them. No, just one set of Rode Wireless Go 2 will give you ability to record from two transmitters, and I am saying record, which I will tell you pretty soon why. You also get a safety track feature, meaning it will record at -10 dB just in case you start to clip. And no, it does not comes with 32-bit float dual AD converters, those kind of recordings with Zoom recorders or other recorders offer. No, this will still clip. It says that you have a quality, that uncompressed quality present in it, which will give you 32-bit output, but it does not have those dual AD converters or any of those tech which will prevent it from clipping. So you still have to adjust the gains correctly. Now in terms of output, it uses 3.5 mm TRS output, which is a kind of an analog output, or you can use USB-C or iOS output using SC cables. It offers you inbuilt storage which can store 40 hours of compressed audio or 7 hours of uncompressed, meaning the moment you turn on, now this is the third important point which I will tell you pretty soon, but the moment you turn on your transmitter, remember, the moment you turn on your transmitter doesn't have to do with the receiver is on or off. It will start recording and then later on you can extract the audio. This update came from 1.6 version. So that is a very important aspect, that you can update these devices, which opens a plethora of options because they can roll out new features or improve upon bugs at later point of time, which is very, very useful, guys. You might not understand it right now, but it is very important that you can actually update these devices. You just turn on your transmitter and it starts recording, meaning it can also be used as a field recorder. Now uncompressed will give you 32-bit output, but it will give you 7 hours, and compressed will give you up to 40 hours, and you can use MP3 or other formats. The transmitter comes with just one button which you can obviously customize with the Rode Central app, and you can use it to mute, or you can also use it to put a marker if you think that you need something specific at that point of time. Okay friends, so this is all I had for you today. I'll be doing a lot of more experiments, outdoor tests, a lot of exhaustive real world scenarios and some strain tests. So please make sure that you do subscribe, because you will not be notified if you don't, and if you don't press the bell icon, obviously. If you didn't like anything, please let me know so that I can improve upon it next time. With that in mind, please stay safe. If possible, don't go out to purchase, get it at your home. See you again, see you soon guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Please stay safe. Bye.